Welcome to Best Choice. The best Photoshop is probably one of the most powerful and versatile image editing software available on the market today, offering an unparalleled suite of tools for photographers, graphic designers, and digital artists alike. Whether you're looking to retouch photos, create stunning digital paintings, design complex graphics, or even dabble in motion graphics and video editing, Photoshop provides the depth and flexibility to bring your creative visions to life with professional-grade results. Number 5. Photomatix Pro 6 HDR Software. Transform your bracketed exposures into breathtaking HDR images. Our advanced tone mapping and exposure fusion technology brings your photos to life with incredible detail and dynamic range. Don't let shaky hands ruin your shots. This software automatically aligns handheld photos, ensuring sharp and precise results every time, no matter the conditions. Dealing with moving objects in your HDRs. Our advanced tools make ghost removal simple and effective, leaving you with clean and professional-looking images. Save time and effort with our powerful batch mode. Process multiple sets of bracketed exposures simultaneously, streamlining your entire HDR workflow. Enhance your editing experience with our plugin for Adobe Lightroom. Seamlessly integrate its powerful HDR capabilities directly into your existing workflow. What we like. This tool excels at merging bracketed exposures into stunning HDR images. Its automatic alignment is a lifesaver for handheld shots. If you're looking to create dramatic HDR landscapes or architectural photos with minimal effort, this is your go-to. What people say. Select the images you want to use to create your HDR image, click on a button, and it's done. Click another button to tone map the HDR image back into an image that will look good on paper or your computer screen, and it's done again. Each tone mapping option comes with a variety of sliders to adjust things like contrast, luminosity, the intensity of whites and blacks, color temperature, and so on. Choose wisely and you can get beautiful results with either tone mapping option. Photomatix comes with presets that allow you to choose your look, painterly, grungy, standard photographic. Number 4. Adobe Photoshop CS6 Digital Classroom. Welcome to the Adobe Photoshop CS6 Digital Classroom. This comprehensive course is designed to help you master the fundamentals of this powerful image editing software. You will learn essential skills for photo retouching, compositing, and graphic design. Our step-by-step approach makes complex techniques easy to understand and apply. Taught by industry experts, this course provides practical knowledge you can use immediately. Gain confidence in your abilities with hands-on exercises. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your existing skills, you'll discover new ways to create stunning visuals. It covers everything from basic adjustments to advanced features. Unlock your creative potential with the industry-standard tool for digital imaging. Start your journey to becoming a Photoshop pro today. What we like. This version offers a familiar and powerful editing experience for those who prefer a perpetual license. The included digital classroom provides excellent guided learning. If you are a student or a professional who values a stable, well-understood workflow and comprehensive training, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Due to the detailed step-by-step instructions, tutorials, companion DVD, and full-color photos, I continue to return to this particular training book. It is easy to understand and gives the basis for implementing projects requiring Photoshop assistance. It gives more than just one method of obtaining the same results, so you can choose your favorite process, but know there are other methods as well that you might like to try. There is an entire chapter dedicated to showing you what's new in Photoshop CS6, which is informational for explaining the new brushes, layer panel improvements and other features. Number 3. Adobe Photoshop 12-month subscription. Transform your photos, illustrations, and 3D artwork like never before. It's the ultimate tool for bringing your creative visions to life. Create stunning websites and intuitive mobile app designs with ease. This powerful software provides everything you need to craft engaging digital experiences. Don't just edit photos, explore a world of possibilities. You can also edit videos and even simulate realistic painting techniques. Achieve professional results with advanced photo and image editing capabilities. Enhance every detail and perfect your creations. This 12-month subscription is your key to unlocking a universe of design and editing tools. Get ready to elevate your projects. What we like. This offers a comprehensive suite for photo, image, and design editing, extending beyond just photos. It's perfect for web and app design, and even video editing. If you're a creative professional or hobbyist who needs a wide range of tools for diverse projects and prefers a subscription-based service for continuous updates, this is the industry standard. What people say. Photoshop works well, although the AI features are quite limited. I love Photoshop. There's nothing quite like it. Number 2. CyberLink PhotoDirector 2025 Ultra. Discover the power of CyberLink PhotoDirector 2025 Ultra, your all-in-one solution for stunning photo editing and graphic design. This Windows software comes with a download code for immediate access. Effortlessly unblur faces in your photos while keeping the background sharp. It's perfect for close-up shots, ensuring a natural focus on your subject. Remove unwanted objects or people from your images with ease. Our advanced AI technology ensures they disappear without a trace, leaving your photo pristine. Create unique and captivating backgrounds for your photos using AI. It generates visually striking images that will make your pictures stand out. Restore facial features to their original clarity and brilliance. This innovative tool ensures every detail is beautifully enhanced, bringing your portraits to life. Automatically enhance the brightness and contrast of your images. It brings out rich, vivid details, making your photos look their absolute best. What we like. This software leverages advanced AI for incredible editing capabilities, including object removal and face deblurring. It can even generate new backgrounds with AI. If you frequently struggle with distracting elements in your photos or want to enhance portraits with AI-driven precision, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Used to bring old photos to almost new condition. Easy-to-use software. Content-rich program for use by people who are not experts. We can make near-professional slideshows, video editing. The editing helped enhance the photos for sure. Also, this version is the owned version. I don't have to subscribe and keep subscribing. Number 1. Microsoft 365 Personal, 12-month subscription. Unlock your full potential with Microsoft 365 Personal. This 12-month subscription is designed for a single user, providing premium Office apps and ample cloud storage. Access essential applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. These premium versions are perfect for all your work, study, and creative projects. Keep your important documents, photos, and files safe and accessible. With 1 terabyte of secure cloud storage, you can access them from any of your devices. Install and use your favorite apps on Windows laptops, MacBooks, desktops, and even mobile devices. Everything syncs instantly, ensuring you're always up to date. Get started right away with an easy digital download. Simply sign in with your Microsoft account, redeem your code, and begin using your apps instantly. Whether you're using Windows or Apple devices, this subscription works seamlessly. It's built for your home, school, or personal productivity needs. What we like. This provides a full suite of premium Office applications along with a generous 1 terabyte of cloud storage. It's designed for seamless use across all your devices, from Windows and Mac to mobile. If you need a robust productivity solution that integrates essential apps and cloud storage for personal or home use, this subscription is ideal. What people say. The suite includes all the essential Office apps, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, running smoothly on both my PC and tablet. Installation was straightforward, and cloud storage via OneDrive makes it easy to access and share files from anywhere. I use Excel a lot and needed the newer functions and features which are only available in the 365 version. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.